We are here to promote our movie Baby Dood I Do. So thank you all for coming, and it's a very small film that Saqib, Salim, my brother, and I we co-produced, and we're releasing it on our own. And it just means a lot to us, the love that we have got from Bangalore. So just want to come here, say thank you to you all for the love you're showing us, and from the day one the movie released here to now, the shows are increasing. The fans are coming, they're liking the movie, and honestly, we're a very small film, so your love will make the film bigger, and your word of mouth is what will sustain us. So thank you so much. It's a very different kind of a movie. I'm playing a deaf and mute hit woman. See, I started my career with the Gangs of Wasseypur. That was my debut movie. And I feel like everything I am today is because of the success of that movie. And I feel my audiences and fans, they always expect me to do something different. So, in my production also, I always want to do stories that push the narrative forward. If you keep making the same old story, then what is a challenge? And I also feel as an artist, as an actor, I am not growing at all. I feel, we all grow, and cinema grows when we are constantly pushing our boundaries of storytelling, of the way we shoot it. It doesn't matter that you always need to have like very large scale budgets to do things, but it is always about your intention. It is always about the intent to do something original, and it is also about never taking your audiences for granted. So I think for me, it is always about pushing the boundary and about doing things in which you are taking the narrative forward, and also as an actor to keep challenging myself. As an actor, I'm known for my dialogue delivery, so I always do. Whether it's Maharani or Delhi Crime, I did Badi Didi. I keep changing my accent all the time. So in this film, the challenge was I don't say a word. So the whole movie I don't say a word at all, and then through my eyes, through my body language, through my expressions, through sign language, how do I communicate my emotions to the audiences? So I think the reaction that we are getting, because we are traveling across the country to different places, is very heartwarming. Rachit also said, he's playing Sidhu, my love interest in the film. It's a very small film that we've made. We don't have too much big budgets to really promote it. It's a small film, and only the love of the fans and their word of mouth will take us forward. So I had a sign language expert who taught me actual sign language. And then of course I went to a school for kids with special needs. I spent a lot of time with children, just to understand how they respond. And of course, not being able to speak or hear is a whole spectrum. So just trying to understand baby Karmarkar, my character, is on what side of that spectrum. And of course, ultimately, we knew we are not making a documentary or a boring thing. We are making a commercial film that we want people in the theater to go and watch. It is a cinema experience. So we wanted to keep the sign language very universal. कि आपको साइन लैंग्वेज नहीं भी आता है तो समझ जाएगा कि वो क्या बोल रही है. Like Sidhu's character, who's her love interest, or her mother, they all can speak or hear. So, how do I communicate with another person, who's able to hear? Of course, his character also learns sign language when he's trying to woo me in the film. So that also makes for some very endearing moments. Yeah. I know, guys, that I mean, of course, I'll come to Bangalore, and it's very natural that you will be very curious about Toxic. So I knew all these questions will come. I just want to request very nicely. It's coming out soon, and I'm sure I'll be back here soon, and I will meet you all soon. So have a little patience. How you all have been so patient and so loving all this time. And what else can I say? I think good things happen to people who are patient. That's all. I mean, what can I say? Yeah, he's one of the biggest stars in the country, and I think I've learned so much just by watching him work, and I'm so inspired to be working with him. And he's just an incredible superstar and a person. You have any questions? Please.
मुझे आप एक कमर्शियल हीरोइन हो के मतलब बॉलीवुड में आपका हलचल बहुत ही बढ़िया है.
Ji, thank you.
When you are doing a production like this type of content, it's a new content.
Yes.
But when you are doing this content, any particular ideas in your mind, like we have to go this type of narration?